Yo, 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 my name is Mr. Tran, and welcome to Pre-AP Chemistry. So a little bit about me. I graduated from Texas A&M University with a nutritional sciences and a minor in chemistry. Right after college, I went to work for Baylor College of Medicine, and there I studied calcium channels and its effect on muscular dystrophy. But after 3 years of not seeing, a direct help to people, I decided to change my career and get into teaching. This will be my 6th year here at the ranch, and I can't wait to make it the best one for y'all. So, best way to contact me is through email, tran@lcisd.org. You can also follow me on Twitter at grhsmrtran for fun things around the school. To it, y'all. Wearing a mask. So, wearing a mask shows kindness. Again, we don't know who is asymptomatic or sick, so we just have to assume everyone is sick, mask up, and thereby helping everyone, y'all. So, proper way to wear a mask is to place it over your nose and mouth. Again, having it only on the chin or just covering the mouth is not good enough. Here we have a graphic showing y'all the difference in the mask. Okay, so again, without mask is very high risk, moderate risk if only a person wears it. Again, low risk if the sick person wears the mask. But the best way is to everyone wears a mask and everyone social distance. Classroom routine. So how to enter and exit my classroom. We're going to start with entering. Over by the door, there's a table set up where you can find your hand sanitizer and sanitizing wipe. So you're going to pump one hand sanitizer and then get one sheet of sanitizing wipe. And then you guys are going to go to your desk following the arrows. So my desks are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, like so. Okay, and say a person is number 7, they go through the door, they get their stuff. Again, reminder, hand sanitizer and sanitizing wipe. Then they proceed to follow the arrow and see the opening behind the desk, go over to 7 and sit down. After they sit down, y'all should wipe your desk and then start working on the bell ringer quietly. When the bell rings, y'all, you guys are going to do the same. I'm going to dismiss by row. So when row 5 through 8 gets dismissed, y'all go towards the exit and head out the door. Be sure to grab your wipe that you had and then discard that wipe in the trash can located by the X here. Okay, so that's how to enter and exit my classroom. Okay, restroom. So the 10-10 rule is still in effect, y'all. The first 10 minutes of class, the last 10 minutes of class, you guys cannot leave the room. But if you guys need to use the restroom, I will write you guys a pink pass that we used last year, and I'll place it at the edge of the table by the door. You guys will use the enter-exit procedure to exit the classroom with the pass. Reminder, y'all, no more than 3 students in the restroom at one time. So you guys see 3 people, just wait your turn outside, and you should be good to go there. So here are my classroom expectations, or my rules. Number 1, do not prevent me from teaching. This involves you guys being distracting and talking to other students and whatnot, okay? Number 2, do not prevent others from learning. So this goes hand in hand with the first one. If you guys are being distracting, then you, again, disrupt others from actually being engaged in the content. If you're talking to your friends, your friend is not learning. So again, be respectful. And last but not least, I know that what you guys are doing is difficult, but that you, okay, I believe that you can do difficult things. So I believe that everyone can do what they set their minds out to do. Here's a list of materials that you guys should bring with you in order for you to be successful. So the mobile learning device. This is a laptop, iPad, or cell phone. I recommend that you guys bring your laptop to fully engage in class, even if you're face-to-face. Okay. This year we're going to do everything on Canvas as much as possible. Spirals. We're providing you guys with notes and assignments that are printed out in these spirals. Those of you guys who are virtual, you guys can tell us if you guys need one to be picked up. So we'll set that up and we'll send out an announcement when that process is ready. Scientific calculator, y'all. As you guys can see here, this is the scientific calculator. It doesn't have to be fancy. As long as you guys see that EE button, okay, you guys should be good. Pencil with eraser. And finally, color pencils or markers for that second 6 weeks when we start getting into periodic table. So when people hear chemistry, they usually think atoms, molecules, whatnot. Yes, we do learn about that, but also chemistry is very, very difficult, y'all. That's why chem is try chemistry. And this is considered your second math class. We're going to be doing a lot of math. The concepts can get difficult at times, but we as your teachers will be providing you guys with step-by-step processes to make all of these difficult concepts easy for y'all. But you guys definitely need to put in the effort to go over your notes, practice those skills, and then chemistry is easy. If not, if you guys just show up to class and just participate, half participate, or just are there, you guys chem is try and you will have a difficult time in chemistry. So this phrase here means a lot to me. Clear eyes, full hearts. Clear eyes means that you guys know your objective. You know what you're going to do. Full hearts means that you are giving it your all. So if you combine the two, clear eyes, full hearts, you can't lose. Okay? So again, if you know what you're after, you give it your all. In that sense, whatever the outcome may be, you never lost because you gave it your all. Okay? That's the best you could do. So again, this phrase means a lot to me, y'all. I'm not out there to fail y'all. I want y'all to get A's, but you have to put in that effort in order to get the A. Showing up is not enough. You have to practice your skills. You have to look over your notes. Okay? I believe everyone in this class can get that A. It's just a matter of, are you willing to do it? Okay? So clear eyes, full hearts, can't lose. So we're going to be doing everything on Canvas, y'all. You need your district username and password in order to sign into Canvas. Once you guys are signed into Canvas, you guys will see this card. I call it your course card. You guys click on it. That will bring you to the home page. On the home page, the first thing you guys will see is the daily check-in button. This is very crucial for the virtual students, y'all. So if you're a virtual student, please pay attention. Every single day, you guys are going to click on this daily check-in at your assigned time and fill out the form. Okay, that will count towards your attendance as well as completing those assignments. Then if you guys scroll down on the home page, you guys will see the course calendar. So this calendar here is filled out for the first 6 weeks. You guys can go in, copy it down to your own calendar, or however you organize your content. Okay, so that's located on the home page of Canvas. So let's dive into some of those virtual expectations, y'all. Whether you're face-to-face or virtual, y'all both have to pay attention because, again, whatever the case may be, if we have to pivot and move all virtual, or if virtual students want to come back to face-to-face, y'all, this covers everything. So for virtual students and face-to-face, if you're going to be switching to virtual, synchronous, asynchronous, and flex. These are new terms. Let's get used to them. Synchronous days are on Wednesdays and Fridays, y'all. The links to those Zoom meetings are on your Canvas calendar already. Synchronous days mean you have to show up on Zoom. You're going to have to sign in, and on those days, you're signing in and participating in the class gets you that attendance for the day. So all of that is already scheduled into your Canvas calendar, and it's by class period, y'all. So if you are in second, you'll click on the second period link. If you're in third period, you click on the third period link. Flex days are days that you are required to log in to Zoom. It occurs when an exam is scheduled on one of the synchronous days, or when there is a holiday on the synchronous days. Okay, so those are flex days. Your flex day will be Thursday. And that is also scheduled on Canvas for you. So let's go over some of the virtual rules. Log into Canvas daily. This is a requirement. Complete daily assignments by 11:59 p.m. Your synchronous days where you have to meet on Zoom, Wednesday and Friday. And then your flex day is Thursday. So the rules that we came up with as a chemistry team: keep your microphone muted when on Zoom, arrive at least 5 minutes early to accommodate for internet connectivity, turn on your video when asked, participate and minimize distractions, keep an open mind and be respectful, last but not least, always try your best and ask questions. So let's get into the grading policy for pre-AP, y'all. Again, major grades are worth 70% of your grade, and minor grades are 30%. Test days are Wednesdays and Fridays, y'all. Reassessment policies. So students can reassess major test grades only that are below a 70. You can only get a 70 if you guys pass with a 100% accuracy, right? So students will have 1 calendar week from the day they receive their test grade to complete their reassessment. In order to be eligible for a reassessment, students must complete a reteach assignment on Canvas with 100% accuracy. And then after that assignment is completed, then you guys will have access to the reassessment, and that will be a new exam with 10 new questions. So late work and makeup work. So late work, if you guys turn it in a day late, minus 20, minus 50 if you guys turn it in 2 days late. 3 days, no credit, y'all. Makeup work, again, highlighted there. For students who missed the day before the exam, the student will take the exam on time. This is because we post the exam review, so there should be no excuse on not reviewing that content the day of exam review. Okay, so you guys can do it even if you're absent. Then if you're absent for that review, you will still need to take the exam with all the other students. So here we have information about how to access your online textbook. Again, this is embedded for you guys in Canvas under Classroom Resources. So you can go there for the same directions you guys see here. We rarely use the textbook, if at all, because we provide you guys the material you guys need to be successful. But if you guys need extra help, there are resources, and this is one of them. I'm going to be providing you guys with a demonstration that you guys can actually do at home too. So again, your fist out like so, thumb out, thumb out, thumb out, thumb out. So now I want you to bring up your other hand. Okay, so I'm going to position myself. There it is. Pinky, 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 pinky. Now thumb and pinky, thumb and pinky, thumb and pinky, thumb and pinky. So now I want you guys to do this. Alternate in the same direction, okay? Thumb and pinky, same direction, thumb and pinky, same direction. But do it fast. Can y'all do what I can do? So again, if the answer is no, then it just takes practice. Mr. Tran actually practiced this quite a bit over the summer in order to show y'all that you can do it. So if you practice this every morning, 5 minutes every morning, just 5 minutes, y'all, 5 minutes of your time, you guys can actually do the hand motion. Okay, so mastering skills requires practice. If you don't practice at all, then you won't master the skill. Don't give up when it gets hard. That's the point. So please join the Remind group, y'all, to help facilitate communication between you and me. So again, send a text to 81010, and the text message should say at 22CBHA6. So my message for today is strive for success, y'all. Success can have different definitions for y'all. If y'all just want to pass the class, that's fine. If you want to get an A, that's fine. You want to get 100, that's absolutely fine. Strive for that success. I believe every single person in this classroom can get that A if you want. It's just how hard do you want to work for it? If the answer is very hard, yes, I will help you along the way, y'all. I am here to help you. Strive for success. Clear eyes, full hearts, can't lose.